Our question wants us to simplify this simple expression 3.2 raised to power 2 minus 4.8 raised to power 2 all over 3.2 plus 4.8. Now, this reminds me of difference of two squares. Remember, if we have a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2, we'll say this is equals to a minus b into a plus b. In case you're asking, how will this be? Look at it this way. A minus b into a plus b is the same thing as a into a plus b minus b now into a plus b. So that on expanding, I'll have a squared, that's a times a, that's a squared, plus ab minus ab minus b squared. A plus ab minus ab, that's 0. So I'll be left with a squared minus b squared. That tells me that I can express the numerator same way. So the numerator becomes 3.2 minus 4.8 into 3.2 plus 4.8. Now my denominator as usual is 3.2 plus 4.8. Now in this case, my 3.2 is same as the A and the 4.8 is same as the B. Now to solve this, 3.2 here is 1, 3.2 here is 1. So I'm left with 3.2 minus 4.8. That's same thing as minus 1.6. Minus 1.6.